Video it's for LGWR. What is LGWR? It's a log writer process. Oracle database keep tracks the changes, transaction information into the database in redo buffer cache in form of redo entries. LGWR process redo entries from redo buffer cache to redo files. Who will be write that? That is for log writer process. What will be the condition? Every 3 seconds, relog buffer in 1/3 full, relog buffer in 1 MB full, every committed, execute alter system switch log command, commit. Okay, in that situation. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Brainbyte Technologies and tap the bell so you will never miss an update. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.